Welcome, today I am with JBL T460 Bluetooth headphones, and I'll show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So at first you have to open the Bluetooth settings on your Android smartphone. You can make it by using this quick panel, then tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth. And right now we have to grab your earphones and then click and hold this power button until this indicator starts blinking on the blue. Let's make it right now. Click and hold. Keep holding. And right now we can read this. We can refresh the list of available devices, so we can tap right here or just drag. And as you can see, JBL T460 appears right here. So when you tap on them once and click pair, we are successfully connected. Of course, we can listen to song through them. So as you can see and you can hear, we are successfully connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.